SA300, adjusting the spring tension on the gearbox. If you need more spring tension or less spring tension on your door when it's either opening or closing, you can adjust manually the spring tension on the gearbox. What you do is you detach the rod part of the arm from the actual arm. Manually you rotate it in the direction of the swing, and in this big 1/2 inch hole here you'll find a hex cap screw, 1/4 inch Allen key you will need for this. Remove the screw from the gear. Once you remove it, you can either add spring tension to the gearbox or use a tool or something to lock the gear in order to move the arm over to the desired location. Release it, and if you rotate it towards yourself, you will be loosening the spring tension. So you're adding spring tension this way, you're loosening it the opposite way. We recommend always, if you have to add spring tension, don't go more than a 1/2 turn, and if you're reducing spring tension, never go more than a 1/4 turn. Once you find your desired location of the spring tension, in our case, I will reduce it every 1/2 inch. If you're looking at this 1/2 inch hole, every 1/2 inch there's a threaded hole on the gear. You can insert back the screw inside. Make sure it's tight. And after that, you will remove the arm. Let the spindle unwind all the way to the end, to bottom out. And you will redo the process of your arm install, where you preload the gearbox to the hard stop, attach the arm, and attach the arm back onto its rod that's already attached to the door. After the spring adjustment is completed, you will start the process of initial learning and installing the arm all over again from scratch. So you press select again. You will see the spindle rotating in the direction of the door swing. You will wait until that spindle reaches its hard stop. Once the spindle stops rotating, you will attach the arm back 45 degrees to the opening of the door. And connect the arm rod back to the arm. Once that is completed, press select again, the door will start slowly to close. Once that's completed, secure the back set screw of the arm. This is the most important screw on the entire arm assembly, since that's the one that holds it snug to the spindle. Once you have your arm reinstalled and secured, you will press back on the controller and you'll press Act to initiate the learning cycle. The learning cycle consists of 2 door cycles. First one learns the position of the door. Second learns the speeds of the door. Second cycle, you can observe your door, how it opens, how it closes. This will be the way your door will operate after the learn is completed. You will know that you had a successful learn if your display shows door closed and your solid LED is indicated by the close writing on the control board. To test the door, you can simply press either act or trigger it from your activation device. In case your door does not open at the activation device, check your wiring, check the function on, off, hold, open switch, check the communication wiring between the encoder and the control board, check the communication wiring between on, off, hold switch and the control board.